Coconut ladoos are delicious little treats that you could easily make. Here's a simple recipe for the best coconut ladoos you could try at home. I'm going to leave everything in the description. The ingredients, let's start with that. 2 cups of grated fresh coconut or unsweetened dried coconut. Number one, 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of salt, and extra grated coconut for rolling. Now the instructions. Mix the ingredients, okay, in a large bowl. Combine the grated coconut, sweetened condensed milk, and cardamom powder and salt. Mix everything together until it forms a sticky dough. Number 2, shape the ladoo. So basically take a small amount of the mixture in your hand and roll it into a ball about the size of a golf ball. Now you repeat this until you've used all the mixture, all right? Then you roll in coconut. So basically place some extra grated coconut on a plate and you roll each ball in the coconut to coat it. And this makes the ladoos look pretty and adds extra flavor. Then after that, the chili, it's optional, okay? If you want, you can place the ladoos in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to make them firmer, okay? Now you have tasty coconut ladoos. They're perfect for sharing with your family and your friends or enjoying as a sweet snack. So everything's in the description. Check it out again. Copy, paste it. See you later.